making the sweet potatoes. We're using 3 boiled baby potatoes, 425 grams, good for 2 people. Or you can also use yung traditional na patatas. I-boil nyo overnight and let it cool. And then you cut it into cubes. And then, yung sugar, yung tama lang na makover yung bottom ng pan. And then you melt it full power. You have to watch out na hindi masusunog. And then put some butter. At ngayon hinalo na yung patatas. To stir it around.